Hi, I'm Will from Lexent. If you're worried about suffering in the heat this summer, there's really no need to, because right here is the answer. It's the Agile portable air conditioner dehumidifier from Lexent, and this is just a short video to tell you a little bit about the product. The Lexent Agile is a 9000 BTU portable air conditioner which also has a built-in dehumidifier. The Agile is finished in gloss white and has an attractive chrome top trim. The logically laid out control panel and clearly marked buttons make the Agile so easy to use. Once the vent pipe has been locked into place on the back of the unit and then stretched out of the window, the unit's ready to go. The Agile's mode of operation is easily selectable at the press of a button between dry for dehumidifier mode, fan mode just to utilise the unit's powerful fan, or cool mode, which is of course air conditioner, where you simply select the desired temperature. Well, that concludes this brief introduction to the Lexent Agile portable air conditioner. You won't be disappointed with its features, its build quality, and certainly not with its performance. If you'd like to know more, look out for our other videos on the product or visit lexent.co.uk. Thank you for your time.